Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, fish curry. I've got myself some lovely, or one whole, beautifully fresh tuna fish. Chopped that up, got it in some lovely spices. It's absolutely delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. The star of the show is our tuna fish, fresh tuna. Really lucky I got that from the fish market today. Excellent stuff. Now I've cut it into nice chunky pieces. The head's in there, the tail's in there, it's all in there. That's about 800, 900 gram fish. 1 onion, 1 cup of coconut milk, fresh curry leaves. If you can't get fresh curry leaves, try and get some dried ones, but fresh are delicious. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, fresh chilli, 2 tablespoons of a curry powder. Usually, if you're a regular to the show, I'll be using individual spices, but I've actually made that curry powder. It's fresh and it's delightful. And then here we've got some cinnamon and some dried red chilies. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some water and a touch of salt. This is delicious. Okay, so I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. If you want, use a different type of oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our dried chili and the cinnamon. You just need them to do their thing in this hot oil just for a few seconds, and they're going to really infuse that oil and give it a great flavour. Next we're going to add in our curry leaves. Now these can be quite noisy, hold tight. And to that we're going to add our onion. And staying on this high heat, we're going to go for about 3 minutes. This is a fantastically easy version that we're doing here. It's going to be really, really tasty. But next up, let's add in our fresh chili, our garlic ginger paste, some salt, and our curry powder. In that goes. Staying on this high heat, about 90 seconds or so. Let's mix it around. Keep it moving all the time now. We don't want our curry powder to burn. It will get bitter if that happens. Perfect. Simply, we're going to get some water and drop that in. Staying on the high heat, I'll be back in about 3 or 4 more minutes. Fantastic. Okay, time for our fish. So we're going to get our tuna. And you can see my pieces are quite large and chunky. Wonderful. Again, high heat, keep it going now for about 5 to 6 minutes and be turning the fish over so it cooks nicely and gets some lovely spices on it. It's in about 5 or 6 I think, yeah. So I'm going to turn the heat down to just above a simmer, and that hard heat has ensured that this fish is cooked. Simply we're going to add that coconut milk. I'm going to let it go on a more kind of gentle type heat for 4 more minutes, and then this beautiful, very easy tuna fish curry will be done. I'll see you then. Beautiful. Off goes the heat. That really is delicious, and that was very easy, wasn't it? Check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. Let me get that on a plate. And there you go, get your rice ready. That is delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, it always helps. And leave a comment, say hi, we like to hear from you. Hope you're well, hope you're keeping safe. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.